Today we are going to be talking about the 5075, which is a 75% form factor keyboard from Akko. This is the RGB barebone gasket mount, Starry Night edition. So this was everything that was in the box. We've got this user manual, we don't need that. You've got this plastic keyboard cover. It might look nice on camera, but honestly it's just plastic. And you can hear it's very light, and I think this will break easily. You've got this switch puller, the knob, we've got this USB-C connector. It's not braided cable, it's just plastic. It's not even coiled, so it's pretty basic. And then you've got the keyboard itself. So this is Starry Night, so it's dark blue, and I really like the pink color on the stabilizers. For the switches, we are going with the Akko Starfish. These are limited edition linear switches. This one. I picked these because I like the color and because they fit the theme. It says star. Yeah, look at those. Beautiful. So let's put these in the keyboard, shall we? There you go. Beautiful. And finally the knob. Okay, now we just need some keycaps. For our keycaps, we are of course sticking with the Starry Night theme. These are the YongQiu Blue Ninja keycaps. So these are OEM profile PBT double shot. You can see it's quite thick and nice. It's got a blue, black and gold aesthetic that matches the keyboard and the switches. So now that we've got all of the keycaps on, I can tell you I've never seen a more beautiful keyboard. So here's a quick sound test. Just check the risers. Two-stage risers. Good stock stabilizers. I haven't changed anything here. This is all totally stock. Knobs a little wobbly. Okay, so we'll plug this in and take a look at the RGB, and then we'll do a typing test. Plugged in, that's very nice, gotta say. And it's got these side LEDs. I mean side RGBs. I don't know if you can see. That's really nice. Love it. We should talk a bit more about the build quality of this thing. It's made out of plastic, except for the knob, which is metal. I really like the build of the keyboard. It's very solid. It doesn't have any batteries since this is the wired version. Still, if you shake it, you don't hear anything. It's got rubber feet, so it doesn't slip or anything. And it's quieter when you're typing or when you're moving it around. So there we have it, the fully assembled 5075s. Now that it's all put together, I can say that I really like this keyboard. I would recommend it to anyone really, but especially to people who just want to buy a DIY kit and then just buy a bunch of switches and some half decent keycaps, put it together and have a good keyboard. Now keep in mind, this keyboard is fully stock. I haven't modded it in any way. So on some of the keys you can still hear some scratching. So if you stay tuned to this channel, I'm gonna mod this keyboard. I'm gonna lube the switches and then we can have a before and after sound test. But as it is, I think it's perfectly usable as a daily driver. It sounds great, as you saw and heard in the typing test. Yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna mod this keyboard and then we're gonna have a before and after in the coming days.